Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you all a 2-in-1 makeup and hair video. Due to popular demand, many of you guys have been asking for more makeup, so I'm going to be giving you guys some summer vibes with the hair from WowAfrican, and we're going to be giving you all the everyday makeup look. So their units come in these really nice satin bags. I've talked to you guys about these a whole lot. I love them for travel, and y'all look at this bold, rich color. This is an ombre unit and it is a 360, so you can put it up. Be sure to follow my other tutorial if you're looking for how to actually do so. I have a video all about it. It does come pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. This is another one of those companies that does a very good job with the beginner friendly units that have a majority of the work done, if not all the work. Their units now come with an elastic band, which is going to make the unit glueless. And what I love about this elastic band is not only is it adjustable and also detachable, but it's a thick elastic band, which is going to give you a great deal of security, and it's going to make the process of not wearing glue or gel much easier. So for this install, I'm not going to be applying any Got2b glue. Aren't y'all excited? So this is what the parting space looks like. You get about 4.5 inches of parting along the center, and then on the side you probably get about 3.5, which is still a very natural looking amount of parting space. Now I tried this with a stocking cap that was my scalp color, but what I found with this unit is that I really didn't even need a stocking cap. I felt like it kept peeking through, and it would have looked great had I done the ball cap method, but I really didn't feel like doing it. But I tried it on and wanted to see if that would work that way, but I really wasn't feeling it. So I decided to take it off. As you can see, it's peeking through, and I could not. I tried to move it forward some to see if that would help, and I just didn't like the way it looked. But again, if you do the ball cap method, it's gonna look phenomenal. Now, before taking the unit off and trying it without the stocking cap, I decided to figure out where I wanted my part to be, and I decided on a side part. I love a side part. And yeah, so the stocking cap is still peeking through, but I wanted to flatten it out, and I did so with my Blow Pro No Crunch mousse. So I'm placing that on the area where the part is, or the area near the part. And then after I've done this, I'm actually going to go in with my hot comb, and this is my first time trying a hot comb and flattening it out. But yeah, I was switching it up, taking the unit off, and I feel like it looks so much better without the stocking cap. I don't have that peekaboo action going on anymore. It looks so much better. So now we're gonna go a little old school, and I'm gonna use my hot comb, and I found mine at the beauty supply store. I love this one because it has a little stand, so I'm not burning up all of my supplies on my desk. So I'm just further flattening out the top, and this hair responds very well to heat. I'm gonna do that, and then after I do that, I'm gonna go in with my Sally Hansen, and I am gonna use the color Medium Glow. Whoever suggested that I use a lighter color so that it matches my scalp a little better, girl, you were right. I'm gonna do that for y'all in this one, and moving forward I'm probably gonna use medium glow instead of deep glow, so thank you. So I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then I'll come back on.
Underneath the darkness is life, reaching from a hard place for light. Sometimes the water is a little far away, and just say your roots get dry every day. Underneath the doubt is the mind, screaming, don't you ever stop this climb. Sometimes we grow in the strangest holes. Don't you know a rose is your final fall?
Alright y'all, so now that we've set everything in the front, I did use an elastic band to lay it down to give it time while I was doing my makeup, but you could also use a scarf. I decided to spray some Cheat Infusion on the hair just to give it some shine and also create moisture. Anyone who's ever had their hair colored knows that you have to make sure you're adding a great deal of moisture into your hair to reduce breakage and also to create a moisturized, healthy look. Now is the moment that many of you all have probably been waiting for. I've been getting so many comments regarding a new makeup video, and y'all, to be honest, I've been quite apprehensive about doing more makeup videos because the last one and the ones in the past, I don't feel like y'all have been watching. So if y'all want me to do more makeup videos, y'all gotta watch them. So you all be sure to share this video with your friends and also like the video so that I know that you all want to see more. Because if I really don't get great feedback from those type videos, then it makes me think that you guys really don't want them. But then I see a lot of comments saying that you do. So like it up, y'all. Yeah, thank you.
Lift your head up, lift your head up. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you got it right here. Yeah, yeah. Way up overhead is the sun, neighboring the moon and the stars. Been shining past a couple billion years time, and it powers up a universe of life. Don't you know up above your head you can fly, fly? Man, I couldn't find a limit in the sky. Sometimes we just don't know what we're capable of, and that's just before you rise and you shine for the world. Lift your head up, lift your head up. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you got it right here. Yeah, yeah. We all might fall 1,000 times, might lose the way, may have to fight, might drop to your knees and surrender some tears, feeling all alone, taunted by fear. Let go of all that holds you back. Your struggle ain't in vain, it will in fact be the mark, the stage to show the pain you've overcome. Lift your head up, lift your head. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head up. Hey, hey. I think you got it right here. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, I think you got it right here. Yeah, yeah. Don't give up, no. Don't give up. Don't give up, no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't do it. No. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No.
All right, so now we're finishing off the lip with some lip gloss, and I love adding this color because it really just makes everything pop and come together so nicely. Before I get comments in the comment section, no, I do not do this every day, but when I do wear makeup, that's pretty much the look that I've been going for lately. I've been loving the nude, really natural type look, and you all have seemed to love it, so I really wanted to share this with you guys. Now I decided to actually curl the hair because I feel like the curls that came with the unit were okay, but they weren't to my liking. So I wanted to refine them. So I'm doing that now. And y'all, I had this flat iron on 450 and this hair took very well to heat. Y'all, it nearly burned my hand at one point and the hair was fine. So that's a good sign. This is virgin Brazilian hair, so it is good quality hair. And the flat iron that I'm using is from Amazon. I've raved about this flat iron in other videos. It does a really good job curling the hair. And this is the final look, guys. This top is also from Amazon. I was shocked that they had an Ankara print type top or African print top that looked this cute, but yes, from Amazon. So we're taking everything off, and guys, this hair is laid. I love how nicely it looked, although it's not actually glued on or sewn on or anything like that. Placing the mousse on the front hairline and then allowing to set is such a great technique. If you're someone that wants a glueless install that looks natural and flat and also has like a melted lace type appeal, then try that tactic. It's really good. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. This look came together so nicely. I actually was playing around one day in makeup and I tried this look, and I have not tried anything else lately. I just constantly been doing this over and over again. So in my previous videos where you guys have complimented me on my makeup and it's like a nude look, this is the look that I've been wearing in all of those videos. And I feel like it pairs so well with this hair. It just looks absolutely stunning. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also check the description box for the link to this unit, all the products, and my necklace is going to be linked below. I love y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Lift your head. If you want it, you gotta believe that it's already yours. Don't you know you're the key to the source? Just lift your head.